Oh shit, I don't.
Yeah, so I use this app for my analysis, kinda. And we can start with
Okay.
GP NZD. We have the
Yeah.
most bearish.
GP. Yeah.
We had
Yeah.
NZD a hawkish tone in their I'm not sure what was it, but I know they like pricing in a hike in July. So we can take a look at GP NZD and see if there's something nice. So I already have this weekly support and resistance
Yes.
marked up right
I,
here.
I was talking
S-
with my one buddy about that, and he is very in the bias of NZD is going to raise their interest rates. So it
Yeah,
is
yeah,
going to be like an AUD is going to skyrocket down NZD. Like that it'll be downtrending AUD NZD.
yeah, yeah. I will also go over
Yeah.
that. But here
Yep.
I'm
Yep.
just probably like something like this.
Yep.
That looks fine to me. Yeah,
Yeah. Any bit of retracement, get back
yeah,
in for sells. Yeah.
yeah. This looks really nice.
Yep.
So I'll just get my mark on this, and we
Yep.
can go over the AUDNZD as you mentioned.
Yeah. Oh my God, this one has just been blessing me. Literally all those
Yeah,
buys. I was in every single one of those fucking buys.
yeah,
Beautiful
and
price action.
now we
And
look at the
then
switch, pretty much.
I'll show you if you can look at my stream one quick. So me and my
Yeah,
buddies, we noticed this one thing that works, but we've only been able to get it work a few times. RSI literally went so like you have price break above, right? Clearly you've created your new high. Once you get that RSI crossover, price will dump, and that's how you can tell a reversal's coming, right? So with
yeah,
my fibs for this trade, for example, you can trade right to the previous high, but we've noticed you get the negative, you get the 2.7, these will hit if fundamentals are right. You can
yeah,
trade up higher, but then once you notice that RSI crossover, that's when price will come back down for liquidity. And that's one thing we've noticed. I don't like fully trade on it, but it's like this pair, I was holding all the way up till the 2.7 because the RSI was just nowhere near yet. And then like
yeah.
I think it was like a midnight. And then also fucking I think it's like yeah, Tokyo session is always the session that loves to set the trend where Tokyo session sold off and it's just gonna keep going. Those are the two weird things I've noticed in the market. Um
That's nice.
Yeah,
That's good,
Tokyo can
good
set a
data.
trend under the right conditions.
That's nice that you discovered that. I'll keep that in
Yeah,
mind.
yeah. It's it's nothing like I don't base my entries off of it, but it's
Yeah,
just
yeah,
really good like warning, you know?
yeah, definitely.
Mm, Yeah,
So back to AUDNZD.
yeah.
Uh, I'm not really. I already have this like support and resistance marked up right here, but I
No,
feel like we
yeah.
are kind of far away from this one. I don't think we'll come all the way back up here.
No.
So this is kind of. I mean, we could like break retest this right here.
hmm
Maybe that's
Basically any pullback, I'm just gonna try and get in on
yeah,
sells because this pair seems like it's gonna skyrocket down.
and it's also kinda in our golden zone right
hmm
here.
hmm
So if we maybe something like this, I will look into.
Yeah.
That looks nice. So I have that markup, and
What's another
we can
one?
take a look. GP Chef, I'm bearish as well on this. I was already. I'm bearish on GP, I'm bearish on AUD, and I'm bullish on NZT personally.
Yeah. Yeah, that
So
makes sense.
look at this.
Oh yeah, I've been in this one right now. I'm still holding. That one
Nice.
was actually a beautiful call. Where's my entry? GBP. Yeah, right. Like I got like right above the 3 monthly there.
That's nice.
It was like, what was it? Yeah. Basically, I considered this as our final take. Like we took all the liquidity here, and then this was the zone. Yeah. So I'm holding this shit till it drops down.
Yeah,
That is a nice
that's
one.
fine.
Yeah.
Yeah. So maybe like I have this weekly AOI right here. So if you
hmm
retrace, we already kinda did at Friday,
Yo.
but I wasn't really looking to enter on Friday because I would just rather wait on Monday.
hmm
But definitely
Yo.
somewhere around here will be a nice
Yo.
entry like this.
Yeah, most of my entries do just come on like a Monday to Tuesday, and I'll hold for fucking. I think the longest held I've ever done was 4 weeks. Hit TP, but fucking Christ.
Yeah, held for like 90 days. Or
Yeah, that is awesome.
we had we have Cat Chef. What's your opinion on Cat right now? I feel like it's really bearish.
CAD, so I'm fucking Canadian myself. Canada bounces on the price of oil
Yeah,
heavy.
yeah,
It
that's true.
follows, yeah. And with with what is it, the Strait of Hormuz, like they're calling for peace agreements right now. They're saying the price of oil is going to drop a little bit more, so CAD is not strong right now.
Yeah,
I was looking at a pair like GBP CAD though. I was looking at like CAD should have more strength than it. Um, this was the one trade I caught a quick one there, and then I've been holding this one. I would like to see GBP CAD drop, but I don't think CAD is strong enough to do. I don't know. It's one of those ones that might just sit in consolidation for a while.
yeah, yeah,
This is not
definitely.
an A plus trade for me here,
Yeah,
but
both are like
I know
weak.
CAD is weak, right? Like
Yeah, yeah,
UCAD, any like CHF CAD, right? All the stronger currencies are going to trump over it.
yeah.
Yeah.
I
So it's like a
wouldn't trade GPK right now. I feel like it will just go sideways.
no, it's I'm in this trade. I'm break even. We'll see what happens
Yeah.
because it's just fundamentals aren't fully there for it.
So back to what was it, Cat Chef?
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah,
Let me reset review.
yeah. So like cat Swiss is just gonna be sells because Swiss is always buys.
Yeah, I had this marked up previous week, but it broke above. But maybe this is like nice resistance right here. If you break below
Mhm.
and retest, maybe it will be a nice sell to take. This is not really
Yeah,
my favorite trade of the ones we
no,
went over right now, but I will keep an eye on it.
no, because price is already just in. One big thing too, here, I've quickly watched my stream is premium versus discount. It's one of the theories that Fabio goes off on a lot about. Where it's like, okay, so if you consider this your biggest swing, right? Because this would be your daily
Yeah,
swing.
yeah.
So it's like if you draw your fib, yeah, you can see price came right into premium and then it dropped back down to discount. So to continue for sells, it's like you are trading below discount pricing because you're below the point 0.5 fib. You are continuing the sells, but for me it is iffy, right? You want to see some price action like this, for example, right? So you have your breakdown on a lower time frame. Any price, like you can see, right? Price got right up to the point 0.5 fib, tapped the weekly, and instantly shot back down, right?
Yeah,
Because it got right into premium pricing and then boom, sells off. So basically, what I would look for is anything where you get back up into premium to then sell right back down.
yeah, yeah,
That's one of Fabio's big theories there.
yeah.
Yeah,
I saw you showing GP. Oh, already won GP Chef, right? Yeah,
yeah,
yeah.
yeah, yeah. I'm in and
Okay.
I'm low, and yeah.
So we can go
I
over
have
GBP
not. I have
USD.
not been trading the dollar pairs for the last maybe 5 months since the whole war broke out and oil shot up.
I've been,
I'm not a fan of the U.S. price action right now.
It's
I mean,
horrible.
Yeah, it
Yeah.
is.
Bro, US, I barely touch. I'm only in a USD CAD long position because CAD's just ridiculously weak.
Yeah, like
And USD
I've
is
been.
probably going to slump off now, but
yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
I posted my, I
yeah.
don't
I've
know
been
if you're
playing the
on Reddit,
JPYs.
but I posted my analysis on USD.
I think the market's hallucinating. Yeah. Yeah, no, I've been trading the JPYs and then I started getting into cross pairs because a lot of cross pairs were getting some good price action the last few months.
Yeah,
But fucking US, man, god damn.
bro, that Trump guy is so silly, honestly.
Yeah,
He wanted a weak dollar, and that's we're going to get anything but a weak dollar this year. But anyway,
yeah.
yeah. So maybe, I don't know, I'm not really seeing anything on GPUSD. We are already in this AOI right here. But with USD, it's kind of hard to trade right now, as I see the
I've
site.
seen I've seen people in the TTA saying they want to see GU and EU buy up to then buy down. Do you correlate the DXY? Because that's one thing. Yeah, see, if I look at the DXY,
I think it's
what
correlated with Euro USD. Yeah, yeah,
yes,
Euro USD and
yes,
DXI.
yeah, the DXY. So what I'm seeing on the DXY is we do have the change of character down. technically I would be going for sells off of this. You take a sell off this, swing high, target the last bit of liquidity, which would be like here. If it's going to drop. If price action wants to treat me nice, then yeah, this sell would work the fuck out. But USD has been bullshit this whole year, where it's like, I don't know, I'm just not confident. But like you can see here, right? Once you get that change of character, price will drop.
Yeah.
After we sell down, retest, can't buy up, boom. So it's like, see, but this is just fucking chop. Realistically though, but then it correlates, right? Euro USD, you have your change of character that's heading up. GU, you got your change of character heading up, and then obviously NZD with how fucking strong it is right now already bought up, right? Your front runner pairs are gonna go a lot quicker, and then it's like NZD JPY, see, boom. Realistically, right now off this change of character, I'd like to see a buy for GU, at least up into OTE, take out the liquidity here, and then you'd be looking for more sells down. Same thing with like Euro, come take out the liquidity within here to then sell back down, because I will say the trend should be bearish, but I do not fucking know with this pair.
Yeah, I don't like
I'm gonna,
Euro either. I think Euro is even worse at the moment than USD.
yeah, it's
Like,
bad.
it's just
Yeah.
like not acting at all with the economics that's going on.
Yeah, like
They're saying about rate increases, but Euro's been weak for ages. So like, I doubt we'll see any changes,
mhm.
even if they do hike rates. I don't even think Euro would follow. So I think they're
No,
just, I don't know.
and I
It's a bit
remember
worrisome.
seeing it too. There was a news article that went out maybe like half a year ago. It was when UJ was pumping. The Japanese government was like, we do not want to see the price of 162. And I was like, okay. And price can't hit 162, literally, for UJ for some fucking reason. They print money, do something. There's some weird, huge government thing where UJ won't hit 162. And then when price was coming up to about here, that's when Japan raised their interest rates. It raised, dropped off, but then nothing happened. Price just kept dumping through, like pumping through the interest hike.
Yeah, they intervened in the
Yeah, just
currency. So they bought a
just
bunch of
nothing
the yen,
happened. Yeah, no,
sold
the
their.
market didn't care.
It's a great
Um,
opportunity. If they intervene, I'd look to buy as soon as after they do it. You give it a month, then it's a great trend trade to try and trade
yeah.
after the interventions happen. Because, or if price breaks 162
Hmm.
and we're still in a war, then that's another buying opportunity because like they just can't intervene at the moment. They tried
Hmm.
doing it like literally not a few weeks ago, and you would have seen a little drop off on USD JPY, and then it's just trickled straight back up again because
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
they
Dude,
just
that
got
ginormous UJ dump was fucking hilarious at night. I was like watching it live. I was like, oh my God. Like, yeah,
yeah
this,
that
the
they
CAD, like,
intervened, and it
holy
was a lot.
fuck.
They've
They're
wasted a lot
like,
of money.
yeah. They were like, we're gonna intervene. I watched price hit that yearly, and I was like literally making the joke as I was holding these two longs. I was like, man, I want to set a limit just like that. And imagine that shit. Like,
Mm.
oh fuck, too funny. But yeah, once I seen the sell off, I was like, cool, dips are meant for buying because JPY, just the way they have their country set up, is doomed to fail. It's a borrower
Oh,
currency.
it's terrible. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah. Once you understand how that country's working, it's like, wow, yikes. What's another market anomaly? I found this market anomaly: USD versus Hong Kong dollar. The swaps, I'm pretty sure, will be high. You will need to find like the perfect prop firm that will let you trade this, or like a good broker. But for some reason, there's a literal ceiling and a floor with this pair. Price will never go below 774, and price will never go below above 78. So you can literally hold a sell and claim over 200 risk to reward. I've been waiting maybe about a year now. I've been waiting about a year for price to go back up. Once price is up here, all you do is hit sell and then you make money. Um, where is it? If you go to the 1 hour, like price just consolidates up here for days and months. And all you do is you set a shitload of sells, stop loss above here, boom. Every single morning you're making 2 to 3%. I don't know why the market does this, but I'm just waiting to see how I can capitalize off of it. Because price is almost
Yeah.
back up there. Such a
Didn't just
fucking
see if
weird pair.
anyone let
Weird,
you trade
weird.
it, but yeah, interesting.
Yeah. But What am I looking at now? Honestly, it wasn't a lot. Like GBP AUD. See, that was some bullshit. I was gonna sell off this here. I was like, okay, we let price come back, and it's just flew.
I think that's probably your most bearish pair right there.
Yeah,
terms of, like,
GBP NZD.
fundamental.
Yeah. And yeah, this is my fucking like month or two on AU NZD. Just buy everything.
Till now.
Yeah,
Until
exactly. Till fucking now. Seen the RSI crossover. I was showing Getty because I use the RSI crossover with my strategy. Once you are above, your break of structure line, you will get that RSI crossover, and it'll tell you the second price is going to come back down. Boom. So now, realistically, I am just looking to sell this shit right back down, or at least to the yearly. We should see
right,
price
get a
drop to
position.
the
You probably get a
yearly.
position trade because I think you're going to have AUD lowering rates for like the next few years now. And then I think NZD, they're quite low, their rates compared to AUD. I think they'll start rising them again. They're like 2.5%, I think. NZD
Yeah.
are saying quite low, 2%. I think you'll see like rate hikes from NZD.
Yeah. I forget how the guy did it, but I once seen a guy post a screenshot here on TradingView. He was able to make his own chart where he added every single interest rate, and that's what it was. The bars were just all the country's interest rates he was looking at. And it showed like the prediction of what it was really cool. I forget how the fuck he did it.
Yeah.
Oh my fucking god, dude, look at this shit. I took this long yesterday, and it was like I took it instantly in profit. It's like, oh my god, beautiful. And then price just comes right back down. Fuck this pair. Fuck Eurosec or US. Yeah, no.
Wait, which platform you use that you can trade Swedish
This one lets me trade it. This is
Oh,
such a
yeah.
shit fucking prop firm, Fund Elite.
Why you
It
bought?
has it's 30% consistency for payouts. I can't do consistency with swings trading because with swing trading, right? Look at your JPYs, for example. You're hitting insanely different risk to rewards, right? Like 2, 3. There's a 3. Like some of these are like 4 in between. The thing with consistency on prop accounts is it limits your winners, right? So say you have this trade marked up for like boom 7 RR. You're thinking it's going to be a great payday. Nah, you can only win on my 25K, I can only max make $500 off that trade. I'll just have a lower risk. You get what I'm saying? Like you can't up your take profit. You can only lower your SL with higher risk to reward. That's what consistency does. And like those people who trade indices, for example, using like Top Step or like what's one Alpha Capital, I think. Those are all props that are built off consistency, where it's like, yeah, you're supposed to win 2 RR 5 times a week to get a payout. Fuck that. I'd rather go in down draw, hit a 7 RR trade and get a payout that month,
Isn't a style like I use basically I rarely go above 1 to 2 risk rewards for my swing trading, so I like large stops.
Yeah.
Just because I like to like profit off like swaps and stuff because I'm more trade live accounts. But I mean, there's no point of like position trading is basically useless if you're a prop trader because you don't even get paid any swaps because prop firms don't pay off swaps in profit, like profit swaps, not like they'll happily take swaps away from you every
yeah, we
night,
just get
but
it
they won't
taken.
pay you.
Oh,
They
yeah.
won't pay
no.
you, so it's completely useless if you're a position trader. But like swing trading is very difficult for prop firms in general. So
Yeah, it is.
it's
I've
like
noticed it.
I don't know. That's why I just trade live accounts now, really, for swing
Yeah.
trading, and then I do a bit of scalping on the side. And
Where
then I
I'm
use
at,
use
I
some prop
have
firms there.
I have a gold scalper strat I got to get back into. My buddies were grinding it right now. I haven't talked to them in a few months, but fucking like with this strategy, like this TTA one, he did build it behind props, like good
Who's
props. Like
TTA?
Fabio. This is where I
Oh, the
met
order
Getty
flow
from.
guy.
Yeah,
Oh, no, no, him. Ah, yeah.
I've been watching his videos for like 10 years. He just built this strategy to be traded on prop firm accounts, so it does work. It's just not these shitty ones. Like he doesn't trade prop firms with consistency. Any prop firm that
What
does
does he
not have
trade? What
consistency is
prop firms
expensive.
do you use? Do you use like
He has a lot. He has over $2 million in prop firm accounts.
what firms does he use?
Take
About
Profit Trader,
oh that one. Yeah.
FTMO. He has Alpha Capital maxed out. What was another prop? Because throughout the years he's always
He's
promoted
a
different
trader
props.
with Upper Prime, I think, as well.
Yeah.
So he goes like to the in-person Alpha Capital stuff.
Oh yeah, he's said in his live videos he's been invited to trade live props and all that shit. He's gone to all them stuff. Which is like, that's kind of fucking cool. They suck your dick once you start being consistent.
Yeah. I just stopped watching him with when he brought up all that multi time frame stuff where he starts analyzing on the weekly, then goes to the daily, then ends on the 15-minute. I'm like, bro,
No,
that's
yeah,
so
that's the shit.
overcomplicated. Like just
Me and my buddies, we have fucked around with his strategy a lot for over the
yeah.
year. Like, there's only a few things that work, and there's some shit he is clearly leaving out in his videos. And
Like it's so comical when he says he's entering off like the 15 or 5-minute and he's starting his analysis on the weekly. It's like, come on,
you're
bro.
not, yeah,
You're
like
like the
he's
top of
not
a
doing
wick of a
that
weekly
shit.
candle. Like, no way you're
Like,
taking trades. It's just for TikTok because it looks cool.
yeah, the best correlation I found with his strategy, daily 4 hour one, and then if you're gonna trade lower, you can get the 4, 1, and 15, but it's not worth. I don't even like swing trading low time frame makes no fucking sense. You're gonna
Yeah,
lose and get
exactly.
tagged out.
If
You're
we
gonna get
take
tagged.
entries on the 15-minute and call himself a swing trader, you're just going to get your stops wrong because
Yeah,
you're too narrow tunnel visioned on the 15 min. But
yeah,
yeah, I think 1 hour, but 4 hour. I own to personally like the 4 hour, but like I think they're all pretty decent. If you stay above like the
yeah,
1 hour time frames, you're chilling.
yeah. And then I remember during one of his lives, he was like saying in chat, he was just getting pissed. He's like, boys, literally just identify your fucking low that has taken liquidity, no matter what, stop loss at it, and you will win. And he was right. He was 100% right about that. If you can actually identify your swing low and your swing high, stop loss in between, and fundamentals back you, you typically win the trade, right? Anything here with JPY, find your swing low that's taken liquidity on the daily, right? Boom, you've taken daily liquidity. You've taken some daily liquidity. So you know price can reverse from it. That's one of the
Yeah,
big like liquidity concepts he preaches about. I don't even know what the fuck I'm really looking for this week, to be honest. Um,
Yeah, well, we can continue with the
yeah,
analysis.
yeah, you can keep going with what you're going, Getty. I just keep fucking going
Well,
off.
I could get back to your USD, as you said.
Yeah,
I'm long-term bearish on it.
yeah,
I have this bank expectation right here marked up, and I
nice.
would target like this low right here.
Ah, that makes a lot of fucking sense.
Yeah, it's like more like a position trade, but I didn't took it
Hmm.
because I don't really position trade. I just swing or day.
Yeah.
But
Oh,
EURUSD
dude,
kind
I've
of
said, yeah,
messy right now. Nothing really there, but it is
yeah,
bearish on trade safe. Kind of neutral. What was it? Was right
yeah.
there. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm thinking
Uh,
right now price is going to go up for liquidity, and then we just start to sell back down
yeah.
with it.
I would
That is
go
what I'm
over
looking.
the NZD pairs because that's the NZD I'm bullish on that.
Yep.
We can go maybe NZD cat like
Yeah,
this.
that fucking thing took off, man.
Yeah,
Any bit of retracement. Yeah.
I like this resistance right here. Maybe if we came down, but I don't know. But it does look
Oh,
really nice right here.
let's see. CAD. Yeah. If you were to draw your fibs, you can here to yeah. Yeah, basically any retracement down near your resistance, and then
Yeah,
because what I've found too, right, is in a fundamental pair like this, where yeah, price is so bullish, we know how strong NZD is compared to CAD. You just
yeah,
look for any take of liquidity, anything like that, and price will probably react off of it.
definitely. So I'll keep that in mind. NZD JPY. We could trade JPY, but you would need like a wider stop loss. in case of any like tweet comes out of intervention,
Yeah.
and then there will be
That
maybe like a 30-minute.
that I'm gonna wait for price to dump before you buy back in.
Yeah,
Because of
like
you get
you
those
could
news
get like
spikes that will
yeah,
take you out.
and then it
Yep.
just continues back up.
Yep. And that shit always happens to roll over, so spreads are so goddamn high.
Yeah.
It's so fucked.
NZD USD. We already said that USD is kind of hard to trade right now, but
Yep.
I'm bullish on this as well.
Yeah. Yeah, that's an interest rate differential. You're just looking along that shit.
Yeah, if you get like a nice retrace,
Hmm.
could be a trade take. Keep that in mind.
Yo.
And what else we got? We could look into like maybe AUD USD short, because I'm bearish on AUD right now. We need like a correction from AUD from all the bullish
Hmm.
move that was happening over like how long was this? Like couple of months.
Yeah. Yeah, 80 has fucking yeah, like you have
It's
some
really
insane
overextended in my
you
opinion.
have you've got fair value gaps on the daily that have just been sitting open.
Yeah, but I'm not really saying anything on AUD and AUD USD technically.
Nah. Like if you were to sell right now, you could stop loss at that high. It'd be an insanely wide stop loss,
Yeah,
right?
I would personally like wait for the next week for it to break below these lows and then look to
Yes.
like retrace and sell. But
Yeah.
I'm not really looking to trade these right now.
No, I'd like to see I want to see those prices go up a little higher than then sell off.
Yeah, maybe. Or like
Yeah.
break below.
Hmm.
So we have like trend shift if we don't already have one. I mean, we do kind of, but it's more like a liquidity grab.
Yeah. Yeah, because it ain't that's one too. Like I like to see strong day. Like you want strong candle closes below to confirm. It ain't just liquidity grabs.
Yeah,
That's the shit that gets me sometimes where it's like, oh yeah, that's totally a change of character. It's like, fuck no.
yeah. Honestly, don't really know if anything else is there to look at.
No. I don't
More
even
NZD
trade
CAD, right?
much Swiss pairs either because
Yeah,
Swiss pairs consolidate for so fucking long and trap you in swaps.
yeah,
I've been trapped in a few Swiss pairs getting eaten by swaps.
yeah, that's true. We can see right here we are bullish US dollar, NZD and chef, bearish
Yep.
GP, CAD and AUD.
Yep.
I'm
I
bearish on
hate
JPO
that.
as well, but it's with the news that can come out and take you out.
Yeah.
That's the only
Yeah,
problem
you
with
only
it.
want to look for the best trade entries with that pair because it's so news heavy. And it's
Yeah,
like I could tell because last month I long CAD JPY for the entire fucking month it took price to break the high. It did it, but it was like, oh my, it took a while.
yeah, yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
Yeah, so
That's how I think. I was like feeling it. I'm like, man, price has been taking a literal month to break the new high. I feel like that pullback or sell off is going to be crazy. And of course, it happens in one session.
yeah,
One Asian session liquidates a month of price.
yeah. So I think we went over everything.
Yeah,
I think we could end it here. If there's no
yeah, makes
questions,
sense.
I mean,
No,
just
no, I gotta go
us.
make dinner and
Did you
shit,
enter
man.
GP
But
Chef shorts? No, I did not.
I was able to
Yeah,
off of because you had to sell, buy back up, and then sell down again. I was able to get into it. What the fuck?
yeah, but I was looking
Yeah.
to show you as well.
Yeah, this is I was able to get a great entry, but to continue any shorts, like right there would have been your chance, right? You hit the weekly just above 5, now you're going back down. To keep shorting this pair is risky because where are you going to stop loss, right? Like if you were to enter right here, it's like this is just some internal high type shit. So this pair for me, this pair has already taken off, and I'm gonna wait. Right, we'll break this low and then we see what happens after we break it. Do we get some good retracement back to here, and then you just sell down, you keep following order flow. Like, we are definitely going to take out this low.
Yeah. Yeah, as we mentioned, chef swaps can eat your
Yeah,
profit.
swaps. Yeah, it's so painful actually
Yeah.
trying to trade this pair, because you basically have to be right there for when the drop happens. Otherwise, you just get eaten in consolidation.
Yeah.
I swear that country makes the money. That's what it is.
Yeah.
But anyway, boys, I'm gonna head out. I got some
Yeah,
shit
me
to
too.
do. It was good talks,
Yeah, it was
man.
nice call. Yeah,
Well, yeah,
see
down to do
y'all.
it again.
See y'all next time. Yeah.
Cool.
Bye.